Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see how to configure IPv6 directly attached static routes. Here we are going to use two routers, 1941, then two switches, 2960, then some edge devices. We will rename these devices. This is R1. Here we have R2. This is S1. And here we have S2. This is PC2. Here we have PC1. Now we will connect these devices. Coming to connections, copper straight through from R1 G0/0 to S1 G0/1, S1 FA0/1 to PC FA0. Then coming to R2 G0/0 to S2 G0/1. Then from S2 FA0/1 to PC2 FA0. Now we have to connect these two routers R1 and R2 using a serial cable. So before that we have to add this WAN interface card on these routers. So coming to R1, first of all we will put it off this device. Then coming to this card, that is a high-speed WAN interface card, we will add it and we will switch it on. Coming to R2, right, so now we will add the now we will connect these routers R1 and R2, serial 0/0/0 to R2 serial 0/0/0. Now we will label all the ports we used in these devices. So here we connected to serial 0/0/0. The other end also we connected to serial 0/0/0. Here on R1 we connected to G0/0. On this router R2, here also we connected to G0/0. This topology we can see total 3 networks. We will highlight those networks using different colors. Here we can see one network. Here we can see one network. And here we can see the third network. Here we will plan some IPv6 address for these 3 networks. Here we can see the address details for these networks. For network 1 we will give 2001:db8:ac80:1:/64. Then for network 2 we will give 2001:db8:ac80:2:/64. And for network 3 2001:db8:ac80:a:/64. First of all we will do the basic configurations on these devices. So firstly we will configure this network 1. Here we can see the address we planned, 2001:db8:ac80:1:/64. Here we can see IPv6 address details of each device here. For this PC1 we will set 2001:db8:ac80:1:100/64. Then for this interface G0/0 on this router R1 we will set 2001:db8:ac80:1:1/64. Also we will set the link local address as FE80:1 in this router R1. First of all we will assign IPv6 address for this device PC1. Coming to PC1 desktop IP configuration, and here we can see IPv6 address. We will set that 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 1 double colon 100, then the prefix as 64. And here we can see IPv6 gateway. So here we given the link local address as fe80 double colon 1. We will give that here, fe80 double colon 1. Now we will configure IPv6 address for this interface G0/0 on this router R1. Coming to R1 CLI. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as R1. Now we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will set the IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 1 double colon 1/64. Also we will set IPv6 address fe80 double colon 1 as a link local, and here we will give no shut command. Now we are going to enable IPv6 routing on this router R1. We have to enable on both routers R1 and R2. So first of all, we will enable on this router R1. We know that by default this IPv6 routing is disabled on all the routers. So we have to enable this IPv6 routing so that these routers will forward IPv6 packets. For that we have to go to global configuration mode. So we will exit, and here we will give IPv6 unicast routing. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration on this router R1. Show running config, and here we can see the interface G0/0. No IPv4 address. Here we can see IPv6 address link local, and here we can see IPv6 global unicast address what we set. Also we can give a show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of G0/0. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from PC1 to R1. So coming to PC1 command prompt, and we will ping to fe80 double colon 1, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Now we will configure network 2, and here we can see the address we planned for this network 2, 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 2 double colon /64. Here we can see IPv6 address details for this network 2. So for this PC2 we will give 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 2 double colon 100/64. Then for this interface, that is G0/0 on this router R2, we will give 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 2 double colon 1/64, and here we can see the link local IPv6 address fe80 double colon 2. Coming to the configuration, first of all we will do it on this PC2 desktop IP configuration, and here we will set the IPv6 address. It's 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 2 double colon 100. Also we have to set the prefix as 64, and here we will give IPv6 gateway. It's fe80 double colon 2. Now we will configure on this router R2. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Enable configure terminal. Here we will set the host name as R2. Now we will go to the interface. Before that, we will enable IPv6 routing. So here we have to give IPv6 unicast routing. Now we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and we will set IPv6 address 2001:db8:AC80:2:1/64. Also we will set a link local address IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local. Here we will give no shut command. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration on this router R2. Show running config. And here we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Now IPv4 address. So here we can see IPv6 address. Also we will give a show IPv6 interface brief. And here we can see the status of this interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Now we will verify the connectivity in this network 2. So coming to PC2 command prompt, we will ping to router 2, ping to FE80:2. Here we are getting the replies. Now we will configure network 3. Here we can see the IPv6 address we planned 2001:db8:AC80:A:64. Here we can see IPv6 address details for these interfaces. Serial 0/0/0 on this router R1 we will give 2001:db8:AC80:A:1/64. Then for this router R2 for the interface serial 0/0/0 we will give A:2/64. First of all we will do it on this router R1. We'll go to that interface, that is serial 0/0/0 IPv6 address. Here we will set FE80:1 as a link local address. IPv6 address 2001:db8:AC80:A:1/64, and we will give a no shut command. Interface serial 0/0/0 changed state to down because we have to configure the other end of this link. So copy running config, startup config. We can verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see serial 0/0/0. No IPv4 address, and here we can see the details. Now we will do it on this router R2. Enable configure terminal interface serial 0/0/0 IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local. IPv6 address 2001:db8:AC80:A:2/64. No shutdown. Serial 0/0/0 changed state to up. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see the interface serial 0/0/0, and here we can see IPv6 address details. Also we can give a show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of each interfaces. Here we can see serial 0/0/0. Right. Now we will verify the connectivity in this network 3. So coming to R1, we will ping to router R2, ping to 2001 colon GB8 colon AC80 colon A double colon 2, and here we can see success rate is 100%. Yes, so as we discussed earlier, here we can see total 3 networks. When we consider this router R1, R1 has 2 directly connected networks and 1 remote networks. And considering this router R2, it has 2 directly connected networks and 1 remote networks. We can verify those directly connected networks on these routers R1 and R2. So coming to R1, here we can give the command show IPv6 route, and here we can see total 2 connected networks. And coming to R2, here also we will give a show IPv6 route. Here also we can see 2 directly connected networks. Now we are going to configure IPv6 directly attached static routes on these routers R1 and R2. First of all, we will do it on this router R1. We will configure a directly attached static routes from this router R1 to this R2 LAN, that is network 2. Here we can see the exit interface for this router R1 to this remote network, that is network 2, is serial 0/0/0. And here we can see IPv6 network address for this network 2. It's a 2001 GB8 AC80 2 /64. So coming to the configuration on this router R1, configure terminal. Here we will give IPv6 route. Then we have to give IPv6 a prefix. It's a 2001 GB8 AC80 2 /64. Then we have to give IPv6. We have to give the exit interface. So we have seen that it's serial 0/0/0. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration on this router R1. Show running config, and here we can see the directly attached static routes. Also we can verify the routing table, show IPv6 route, and here we can see that 2001 GB8 AC80 2 /64 via serial 0/0/0. It's directly connected, right? Now we will do it on this router R2. Here we can see the remote network for this router R2. It's network 1, and here we can see the IPv6 address 2001 GB8 AC80 1 /64. And here we can see the exit interface. It's a serial 0/0/0. So coming to the configuration, configure terminal. Here we have to give IPv6 route 2001 GB8 AC80 1 /64. Then the exit interface, it's serial 0/0/0. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration on this router R2. Show running config, and here we can see IPv6 route. We will verify the routing table, show IPv6 route, and here we can see that static route. Now this network is fully converged, so we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from PC1 to PC2. So we will get the IPv6 address of PC2. Here is that. We will copy this address. Coming to PC1, command prompt, and we will ping to PC2 We'll paste it here, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Well, in this video we have seen how to configure IPv6 directly attached to static routes. Here we can see the basic configurations we done on these routers R1 and R2. This is for R1, and here we can see a configuration of R2. And here we can see the show commands we used in this configuration. And here we can see the commands we used to configure directly attached static routes. Here we can see the command on R1, and here we can see the command we given on R2. Right, so friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and don't forget to share with your friends. And for more technical videos, consider subscribing. Thank you.